These 20 classic cars range from ready drivers to forgotten projects, and some might be the best deals you'll see today. Let's take a look. Number 1. 1977 Ford Thunderbird Coupe 2D. Priced at $3,500, this 1977 Ford Thunderbird Coupe 2D is located in Cincinnati, Ohio. Showing 90,000 miles, it has an automatic transmission, a clean title, and is described as a two-owner car that remains largely original from the radio to the carpeting. The seller reports that the Thunderbird runs, drives, and shifts well after receiving extensive recent maintenance, including new brake lines, fuel tank, brakes, spark plugs, relays, mufflers, and fresh fluids. With working air conditioning and heat, it appears to be one of the most road-ready vehicles in this group, rather than a restoration project. Number 2. 1978 Chevrolet Nova. Offered for $4,500, this 1978 Chevrolet Nova is located in Wilkesboro, North Carolina. It shows 97,202 miles and is powered by a 305 small block V8 backed by a turbo 350 automatic transmission, along with several performance upgrades. The seller states the Nova runs and drives, but it has carburetor or timing issues that cause uneven acceleration and occasional sputtering. Brake lights and turn signals need attention, and the car is not recommended for long trips until those mechanical issues are resolved. Number 3. 1972 Mercury Montego MX. This 1972 Mercury Montego MX is listed for $5,000 in Lancaster, Ohio. Showing 154,089 miles, it is equipped with a 351 Windsor V8 and C6 automatic transmission and has recently received significant mechanical work. According to the seller, the transmission has been rebuilt, the timing chain and exhaust are new, and the engine runs quietly. The body is described as very rust-free, and documentation for recent repairs, along with the original owner's manuals, is included, making this a well-maintained driver rather than a major project. Number 4. 1977 Chevrolet El Camino. Priced at $5,000, this 1977 Chevrolet El Camino is located in High Point, North Carolina. It shows 108,000 miles and is powered by a 305 V8 paired with a turbo 350 automatic transmission that has already been rebuilt. The seller says the El Camino runs and drives, although it is not perfect. Rust is mainly limited to the floor pans. The transmission pan has a small leak, the front springs are worn, and parts of the interior need attention. Several mechanical components have already been replaced, making it an honest driver with a few remaining projects. Number 5. 1968 Chevrolet Impala. Offered for $3,800, this 1968 Chevrolet Impala is located in Dalton, Georgia. Showing 39,000 miles, the coupe features a 327 V8, a 2-speed automatic transmission, power steering, power brakes, and factory air conditioning. The seller presents it as a restorable classic. The white paint is peeling, but the car appears complete and retains many desirable original features, making it a solid candidate for someone planning a cosmetic restoration. Number 6. 1966 Ford Mustang Coupe 2D. Listed for $3,950, this 1966 Ford Mustang Coupe 2D is located in Cleveland, Ohio. Showing 72,000 miles, it is powered by a straight-six engine with an automatic transmission and has already received a new starter and carburetor. The Mustang runs and drives, but it will need routine maintenance before regular use. The seller notes rust in several areas, soft brakes, worn tires, and a shifter that needs adjustment. Overall, it remains a running project with a clean, honest description. Number 7. 1963 Chevrolet Nova Chevy 2. This 1963 Chevrolet Nova Chevy 2 is available for $4,500 in Churchill, Tennessee. Showing 133,400 miles, it features a turbocharged 6-cylinder engine, a blow-through carburetor, upgraded fuel system, fuel cell, and a 2-speed PowerGlide automatic transmission. According to the seller, the Nova runs, drives, and shifts well, but it should not be expected to be a perfect restored car. It appears to be a functional custom build that still leaves room for future improvements. Number 8. 1972 Plymouth Fury. Priced at $2,000, this 1972 Plymouth Fury 3 two-door hardtop is located in Chuckey, Tennessee. Powered by a 360 V8 with an automatic transmission, it presents as a complete full-size Mopar project. The seller states the Fury runs and moves, but the transmission needs repair before it can be considered roadworthy. Rust is also present in the lower quarter panels, making this an affordable restoration candidate rather than a finished driver.
Number 9. 1964 Ford Galaxy 500 Custom. Offered for $2,500, this 1964 Ford Galaxy 500 Custom is located in Dawsonville, Georgia. The project has been fitted with a 302 engine and a T5 5-speed manual transmission, along with a recently installed distributor. The seller describes it as a project car that still requires fabrication work. The pedals need to be connected, and the master cylinder installation must be completed before the conversion can be finished, so buyers should expect additional mechanical work. Number 10. 1969 Pontiac Tempest. This 1969 Pontiac Tempest is listed for $3,500 in Roanoke, Virginia. Showing 50,000 miles, it has an automatic transmission, a clean title, and is reported to have had only 2 owners. According to the seller, the car needs some work, but rust is limited to a small hole in the trunk floor. Aside from that area, it is described as rust-free, making it a straightforward restoration project with a solid foundation.
Number 11. 1963 Studebaker Lark Daytona. Offered for $4,000, this 1963 Studebaker Lark Daytona is located in Baden, Pennsylvania. Showing 95,884 original miles, it is equipped with a 259 cubic inch V8 and a 3-speed automatic transmission. The car has reportedly remained in the same family since new. The seller states that the Studebaker does not run, so it will need to be transported by trailer rather than driven home. With its original drivetrain and long family ownership, the car appears to retain much of its originality. However, no recent mechanical work is mentioned, and its current operating condition is unknown beyond being non-running. Overall, this is a complete restoration project with documented ownership history. Buyers should expect a full mechanical inspection and recommissioning before attempting to return it to the road. Number 12. 1967 Mercury Cougar Coupe 2D. Priced at $3,500, this 1967 Mercury Cougar Coupe 2D is located in Holtwood, Pennsylvania. It features a 289 V8 paired with a 3-speed manual transmission and is being offered strictly as a project car. The engine is reported to turn over freely, but the car is not currently running. A new windshield is included with the sale. The seller also notes that the body has extensive rust throughout, making body restoration one of the largest parts of the project. Overall, this Cougar is best suited for someone looking for a full restoration. Between the non-running drivetrain and widespread rust, buyers should plan on significant mechanical and bodywork.
Number 13. 1963 Chevrolet Corvair 2-door automatic 2-speed. Listed for $2,200, this 1963 Chevrolet Corvair 700 is located in Pisgah Forest, North Carolina. Showing just under 63,000 miles, it is equipped with a dual carburetor 6-cylinder engine and a 2-speed automatic transmission. According to the seller, the engine will crank when fuel is poured directly into the carburetors, suggesting that the fuel system likely needs attention. Beyond that, the seller simply describes the Corvair as needing restoration, without mentioning additional recent repairs or upgrades. Overall, this appears to be an honest restoration project that may respond well to mechanical troubleshooting, but buyers should expect to inspect every major system before putting it back into service. Number 14. 1967 Mercury Cyclone GT. Offered for $3,000, this 1967 Mercury Cyclone GT is located in Huntington, Indiana. Showing approximately 50,000 miles, the project is fitted with a Ford 460 big block V8 backed by a C6 automatic transmission. The seller reports that the engine turns over by hand and is not seized, although the vehicle is not currently running. One important detail is that the car is being sold without a title, making paperwork another consideration alongside the restoration itself. Overall, this Cyclone GT offers a complete project with a desirable big block drivetrain, but it will require mechanical work and title research before returning to the road.
Number 15. 1976 MG Convertible. Priced at $1,750, this 1976 MG Convertible is located in Waupaca, Wisconsin. Showing 55,800 miles, it features a manual transmission and has had only 2 reported owners. The seller explains that the engine is running rich and currently needs new carburetor needles, jets, and a head gasket replacement before it can be driven reliably. Cosmetic repairs were previously performed on the driver's side following a minor motorcycle sideswipe, but the seller notes that the bodywork was not professionally finished. Overall, the MG will need to be trailered and should be viewed as a mechanical project with additional cosmetic work remaining before it is ready for regular road use. Number 16. 1974 Ford F-350 XLT Cabin Chassis 2D. This 1974 Ford F-350 XLT is listed for $4,500 in Summersville, Missouri. Powered by a 390 V8 with a 4-speed manual transmission, it also features a fully functional 10-foot PTO-driven dump bed that was installed when the truck was new. The seller says the truck has received several recent repairs, including a new fuel pump, starter, brake master cylinder, rear brake hose, and bed floor, while the tires are described as being in good condition. The truck has spent its life as a working vehicle, so dents and rust are present throughout the body. The seller makes it clear that this is not a show truck. Overall, this appears to be a usable work truck rather than a restoration project. Its cosmetic flaws reflect years of service, but it remains an honest, functional classic with a clean title.
Number 17. 1976 Ford F-100 LWB. Offered for $3,500, this 1976 Ford F-100 LWB is located in Big Sandy, Tennessee. Showing 100,000 miles, it is powered by a 302 V8 paired with a 3-speed column shift manual transmission. According to the seller, the truck runs and drives well and is currently being used as a daily driver. Its manual steering and manual brakes reflect the truck's original straightforward design, with no major modifications mentioned in the listing. Overall, this F-100 appears to be an honest driver rather than a restoration project. While it still shows the character expected of a classic pickup, it is described as remaining dependable for regular use.
Number 18. 1979 Chevrolet Malibu Classic. Listed for $1,500, this 1979 Chevrolet Malibu Classic is located in Kansas City, Kansas. Showing 121,322 miles, the car has been sitting since 1995 after its engine failed. The seller explains that the project has remained parked for decades because of other priorities and the engine has not been rebuilt. Despite the long storage, the trunk and floor are described as solid, while only minor bubbling is beginning to appear on one rear frame rail near the bumper bracket. Overall, this is a true long-term project that will require an engine replacement or rebuild before returning to the road. Its largely solid structure makes it a reasonable starting point for restoration.
Number 19. 1977 Ford F-150 Long Bed. Priced at $2,800, this 1977 Ford F-150 Long Bed is located in Griffin, Georgia. Showing approximately 100,000 miles, the truck is finished in black with a red interior. The seller clearly states that the truck does not run, so transportation will be required. The body is described as being pretty solid, suggesting that most of the work will likely focus on returning the truck to operating condition. Overall, this is a straightforward project pickup being sold with a bill of sale only, making both mechanical repairs and ownership paperwork part of the restoration process. Number 20. 1979 Jaguar XJ Sedan 4D. Offered for just $500, this 1979 Jaguar XJ Sedan 4D is located in Clay City, Kentucky. Showing 122,000 miles, the car is being sold as a rolling body rather than a complete vehicle. The seller notes that the Jaguar does not have an engine or transmission, although the interior is reported to be in good condition, with the center console still in place. Both the front and rear suspension assemblies remain installed and could potentially be reused for other automotive projects, according to the listing. Overall, this is not a running restoration candidate in its current form. Instead, it is best viewed as an inexpensive parts car or a foundation for someone planning a full custom build, and it is being sold without a title. Thanks for watching. Tell us which classic you'd save first, and if you enjoy honest classic car finds like these, be sure to like, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.